Could I get a room on a higher floor? It is quite loud next door. Could you change my room? My room keycard isn't working. Is breakfast included with my room? I'd like to order room service, please. Hi everyone, I'm Phoebe. Do you get nervous checking into a hotel? Take a deep breath. Today, I'll show you how to speak confidently. Good afternoon. How may I help you? I have a reservation under the name Phoebe.
I have a reservation under... Yes, I found your reservation.
Is it possible to check in early? Is it possible to check in early? May I see your passport, please? Here you go.
Please fill out this registration form.
Where exactly should I sign? Is the Wi-Fi free throughout the hotel? Could I have the Wi-Fi password, please? Could I have the Wi-Fi password, please? How do I contact the front desk from my room? How do I contact the front desk from my room? Oh, one more thing. What time is checkout? Oh, one more thing. What time is checkout? My room keycard isn't working. My room keycard isn't working. Do you have any gym or pool facilities? Do you have any gym or pool facilities? Which floor is my room on? Which floor is my room on? Could I get a room on a higher floor? Could I get a room on a higher floor? Is breakfast included with my room? Is breakfast included with my room? What time is breakfast served? And where is the breakfast room?
5th floor. The elevator is to your right.
What time does the pool close? What time does the pool close?
Could you send extra towels to room 507? Could you send extra towels to room 507?
I'd like to order room service, please. I'd like to order room service, please. It is quite loud next door. Could you change my room? It is quite loud next door. Could you change my room? I'd like a chicken sandwich and orange juice, please. I'd like a chicken sandwich and orange juice, please. The AC in my room is not working. Excuse me, the AC in my room is not working. Are there any vacant rooms for tonight? Are there any vacant rooms for tonight? Can I leave my luggage here for a few hours after checkout? Can I leave my luggage here for a few hours after checkout? Could you arrange a taxi for me? Could you arrange a taxi for me? Could we get extra towels and pillows? Could we get extra towels and pillows? I'd like to extend my stay by one more night. Is that possible? I'd like to extend my stay by one more night. Could I have a printed receipt? Could I have a printed receipt? A printed receipt. I think there is a mistake on my bill. I'm checking out. Here's my key card. I'm checking out. I'm checking out. Here's my key card. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and follow Fluentlish for more videos like this.